Trade Juice Review. Everything you need to know about this fortune maker. You might be looking for a Trade Juice review by now. Trade Juice is a very popular system that allows you to trade easily, whether it is forex, commodities, crypto, or indices. However, do you know the features that this fortune maker has to offer? Well, here are some of those features. Simple and easy to use. One of the best things about Trade Juice is the fact that it is a very simple system. Because it is very simple, you will be able to use this system easily. With this platform, you will be able to gain profit by trading with just 2 clicks. No robot, software, or trading system. Another thing that you need to know about this best forex trading platform is the fact that it does not involve a robot, software, or trading system. Instead, Trade Juice is a cloud-based integration of algorithms that will help you calculate the many trends that are happening in various markets. Covers more than just forex trading. Trade Juice is brilliant because of how versatile it is. You can use this program for almost any kind of trading that you can think of. These trading kinds include forex with over 26 currency pairs, gold, oil, silver, cryptocurrencies, and so many more. Constant updates every hour. You will see how impressive Trade Juice is because of its regular update every hour. In this Trade Juice review, you will learn that this program updates every hour about hot stores. This program automatically scans many markets to bring you the best trades that you can make. 65 to 75% profitability. You might want to consider using Trade Juice because of its 65 to 75% profitability. This is quite a high number compared to many other forex trading platforms. That is why Trade Juice might be the perfect choice for you. Made for all kinds of traders. Trade Juice is also incredible because of how flexible it is. Whether you are a beginner or an expert when it comes to forex trading, Trade Juice will help you make the best trades to earn the best profit. Breaks down targets for every hot trade. Another reason why Trade Juice is impressive is because of the details that it will provide you. With Trade Juice, you will get an abundance of information for every hot trade that it will give you. This information includes the entry target, exit target, profit target, and overall market trends. Affordable subscription. You would be happy to know that a Trade Juice subscription is also quite affordable. You will be able to subscribe to Trade Juice for an affordable subscription per year. This is nothing compared to the profit that you will earn from using Trade Juice. It will help you get started on how to start forex trading. If you want to earn a lot of profit through forex trading, then you might want to consider using Trade Juice. However, this Trade Juice review should help you determine if this platform is worth trying. Do you want to create automatic income for life immediately? $100,000, $400,000, $600,000 a year working from anywhere in the world with as much free time as you want? Click the link below in the description to get the program.